You've heard about lithium batteries and how absolutely fantastic they are. Well, I've got news. It's all true. Of course, there are good lithium batteries, pretty average ones, and then there are other ones that frankly you wouldn't want to touch with a very long stick. These 3LION batteries from NDS are, I'm happy to say, some of the best that you can get. They're available in 100 amp hour models and 150 amp hour versions. Now you can just take one of these batteries and drop it into your caravan or motorhome in place of the existing lead acid battery. You can do that, but you probably wouldn't want to because you won't get all the benefits that you get with a 3LION system. These are the battery, a 3-link box and a full colour touchscreen display which tells you exactly what's going on with your battery at all times. The state of charge, the current going in, coming out, and of course the voltage. In fact, it's very entertaining to watch, probably better than watching television in a lot of cases. What are the other benefits? Well, lithium works in a completely different way from a lead acid battery. You can charge them more quickly, you can discharge them more quickly. They're much lighter, about half the weight of a similar sized lead acid battery. I'm just kidding really, they're not that light, but half the weight. Now if you're the sort of caravanner or motorhomer who always likes to stay on a campsite with all mod cons, then forget it. This is a complete waste of time and money for you. If on the other hand, you like to go wild camping, you like to sit in fields or go to campsites with no facilities, or just roam around at will, these can be absolutely perfect. As well as charging very quickly, up to say 50 amps an hour, which is pretty good, they also don't mind being discharged, for example, with an inverter, so that you can run any 230 volt appliances as well as 12 volt things such as lights and a TV. You could run a hairdryer, you can run a microwave, a toaster, a kettle, a coffee machine. It's absolutely fabulous. In fact, as one very happy customer told me, it's like wild camping with hookup. And I can't really think of a better way to put it than that.